3-pack of gaskets included. Fits most Oster blenders. Not compatible with Oster Pro 1200 and intuitive blenders. Fits most Oster kitchen centers. Sealing ring only. O-Gasket rubber 3-pack or gasket seal for Osterizer and Oster models. Top reviews from the United States. Help me control leaking from a weekly design blender. These are great. I wasn't all that pleased with my expensive blender when I got it. I don't use blenders a whole lot, so I kept. One thing I don't like about the blender is the spinning part's metal bottom doesn't stay flat and true. It's curved some because of my tightening it on over the years. This has caused it to start to leak a little. Plus the overall design of the machine didn't help. If the bottom is the slightest bit loose, it leaks through the short, thick threads on the glass container. If you have my model, you know what I mean by bad design, and that if you put the container on too far from the stoppers it will actually unscrew the bottom off when you turn it on, making a mess, because of the short, wide threads. Like I said, bad design. Anyway, I bought a set of these and they've been great. They are thicker than the one that came with my blender. And since I got 3, I actually put one on the bottom and also one on the top of the metal spinning cutter assembly thingy, sealing both sides when I tighten it. It lifts the metal away from the motor connection somewhat, but not enough to cause a problem. Having 2 of these on, I no longer get any leaking at the bottom, so long as I sit the container close to the turn stoppers. Glad I found them, and they came in a 3-pack.